What's the meaning of concurrently? Concurrently. Concurrently.
Concurrently. Concurrently. Concurrently means happening at the same time or simultaneously. It is often used in computer science to describe the execution of multiple tasks or processes at once, allowing for more efficient use of resources and faster completion of tasks. By executing multiple tasks concurrently, a system can handle more requests and improve overall performance. However, it also requires careful management to ensure that resources are appropriately allocated and conflicts are avoided. Overall, concurrent execution can greatly enhance the efficiency and responsiveness of modern computing systems.